ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋ ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಗ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋವಂಥ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Blue-green algae fix nitrogen directly from air to enhance fertility of soil. Alcohol is produced with the help of yeast. Cholera is caused by bacteria Vibrio cholera. Second mind, tick the correct answer or select the correct answer. Yeast is used in the production of alcohol. The following is an antibiotic. Streptomycin. Carrier of malaria causing protozoan is female Anopheles mosquito. The most common carrier of communicable disease is housefly. The bread or idli dough rises because of growth of yeast cells. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. Match the following. Bacteria causing cholera, Rhizobium fixing nitrogen, Lactobacillus setting of curd, yeast baking of bread, a protozoan causing malaria, a virus causing AIDS. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ನೇಕೆಡ್ ಐ? ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್, ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದೇ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್? ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ನೇಕೆಡ್ ಐ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಸೀನ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್? Major group of microorganisms are bacteria, fungi, protozoans, algae and viruses. Name the microorganisms which can fix atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Rhizobium. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our future. Uses of microorganisms are listed below. They are helpful in cleaning up the environment. For example, the organic wastes, vegetable peels, remains of animals, feces, etc. are broken down into harmless and usable substances by bacteria. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacterium Lactobacillus promotes the formation of curd. It multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of cheese, pickles and many other food items. Bacteria and yeast are also helpful for fermentation of rice idlis and dosa batter. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Bubbles of the gas fill the dough and increase its volume. This is the basis of the use of yeast in baking industry for making breads, pastries and cakes. Microorganisms are used for the large-scale production of alcohol, wine and acetic acid. Antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Microorganisms are helpful in producing vaccines against disease-causing agents. Some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich the soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. Microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plants and animals to convert them into simple substances. These substances are again used by other plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substances and thereby clean up the environment. Write a short paragraph on the harmful effects of microorganisms. Microorganisms cause diseases in plants and animals. Example, cholera in humans is caused by bacteria called Vibrio cholera. In animals, the virus causes foot and mouth diseases. Microorganisms spoil the foods by decomposing the food material. Some microorganisms spoil leather and clothes. Microorganisms are responsible for food poisoning. What are antibiotics? What precautions must be taken while using antibiotics? Chemical agents that kill or stop the growth of disease-causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Antibiotics should be taken only on the advice of a qualified doctor. Also, one must complete the course prescribed by the doctor. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವೀಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾಯ್.